Welcome to LegitApp, your sneaker bodyguard. Follow me in this video as we break down how to use LegitApp to keep your collection 100% legit. Today we're talking about Adidas. Download LegitApp from the App Store or Google Play. It's quick, easy, and free to get started. Click Start to legit check your kicks. But first, you'll need some legit tokens. It's like the currency of sneaker authenticity. Don't worry, they're about $1 each. Once you're stocked up, pick the Adidas model you're eyeing. Then choose how fast you want results. Need to cop those kicks ASAP? Our under 10-minute turnaround is fire. Next, snap some clear pics of your sneakers according to the app's guidelines. Make sure to capture every detail. Those little things that separate the real from the fake. All right, let's get snapping. You'll need 12 pics from different angles. Capture both sides of the shoe, including the outer and inner sides. Don't forget the back and bottom. That's the heel and outsole. Then, focus on the top and back of the insole. Use your phone's flashlight to check out the inside sewing and insole cardboard. And don't miss that inside label. Finally, grab shots of the front and back of the tongue, as well as the box stamp and label. Once you've got all the shots, upload them with your request. Now we can just sit back and relax. LegitApp uses a killer combo of AI and human experts to verify the authenticity. 2 or 3 of our sneaker gurus will inspect your kicks, plus our AI will cross-check your kicks against a massive database. If your shoes are legit, you'll get a legit certificate to prove it, bragging rights and peace of mind. But if they're fake, we'll give you a replica difficulty score from 1 to 10. The higher the number, the slicker the fake. LegitApp is your secret weapon against counterfeit kicks. So what are you waiting for? Download LegitApp now and stay legit with us. Follow us for more authentication tips and the latest updates.